So I got the old rocket stove lit up for the first time. You can see feeding it in through here. And I got quite the flame coming out the top. This baby's running hot.
Perfect, buddy. Thank you. There's the water, but there's one over there. If you just want to
I'll just take the cup out of there. I just want to see how quickly it boils. So, in here. And we're just going to see how long it takes that cup to boil. Okay. Oh yeah, we're boiling. Less than 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes, and we're boiling. I'm guessing probably about 1.5 minutes to bring to complete boil. You can easily see that here. It's boiling, big time boiling. So I've made another improvement, another addition to this rocket stove, and that is the ability to use briquettes. So I had a cover on a light fixture, one of those halogen light fixtures that was broken, and I just flattened it out and trimmed it up a little bit so it fits inside here. So that'll fit inside, and then I can drop my briquettes. I can drop 3 or 4 briquettes in there, or just set them on the grill here. I could put probably up to 5 if I really wanted to, depending on the temperature that I want. So if I want to cook something slow, I can just push that in. It'll be right over the cooking area, and I should get a nice slow burn. But if I leave this open, it's going to burn pretty hot, so I can control the amount. I just took a piece of that aluminum that was there from the stovepipe and bent it, painted it black. I can put it over here to control the amount of airflow, so I just get my airflow through the bottom, and a little bit through here, or if I want a real slow burn, I can put a larger plate on there, and it'll just burn nice and slow. So what we're going to do, we're going to stuff it here with a little kindling, and we can put it in from the top and the bottom. I can just shove some of that in. And that should get it to burn. Once I get this started, I won't need any more because the charcoal will do its thing. But to get it started, I may put a few of these in. Here you can see the cover's on, reducing the amount of airflow going in. So just a little coming in through the top part of the wood slot and where the grate is, and you can see a nice bed of coals in the bottom. Moving up to the top, you can see a nice bit of embers in there, a nice slow burning fire. So you could cook something nice and slow over the top of this. Just put your grill right on there, and those 3 little briquettes will probably last you about an hour's worth of cooking. 3 little briquettes, nice and clean. If you wanted, if you had lighter fluid, you could soak them with that, and you wouldn't need any kindling. But you can see it's nice and clean burning. And you wouldn't want to keep your heat hand there much longer than this, but this is pretty hot right here, but it's doable. A nice slow even amber there that's going to burn for a long time. This is my take on, like I said, rocket stove and my modifications. Please feel free to comment. If I was a welder, I'd probably make some modifications here and make this thing out of steel and a little more transportable. This is definitely a home unit and not for taking out camping with you.